We are here to watch the boat show, guys, with my fam, my babes, and we'll let y'all join us on this little journey. It's gonna be some beautiful lights.
I think the email we're at the harbor.
Beautiful sunset. Hi, Liz. All right. What's y'all know when we're at the lights?
Look at the big chair. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Damn. Look at this, guys.
Big chair. Woo. Go sit on the big chair, Jackie. Oh no, look at the big chair.
Wow.
Get off to the side. Zach can't get off.
I saw this somewhere else.
Wow.
One of
Big chair.
wow. I wonder if I can sit on there.
Careful.
I'll show you guys right now.
There you go.
Go on the big chair.
Uh-oh. Okay, Zachy.
Zaya.
Get on the chair, Zach. Zaya. Oh, no. Big chair.
That's a huge chair. Statue, Christmas tree. Nice.
Here we go.
Alright, now time to go to the main lights. It is cold out here, guys. Clothes.
You go down here or go straight?
Oh, street. That's nice. But there's more lights over here. Oh, and over here too. Cool, cool, cool. like that one right there. It's all lighted up. The beautiful lights on the trees. Can't wait to go see what the boats look like. Last time we came out here was 2 years or 3 years ago, something like that, when they had this glass, before the whole pandemic thing going on. Wow. Santa.
We're really good.
But love Christmas. It's gonna be packed here tonight once the boat show start. But this is all really beautiful. Wonder how long it took to do all this. I like it. That's cool. Jeez, it looks already packed already over here. Oh, they had the same thing like last time. Dang. The Merry Kiss Me sign. Something looks brand new here. I don't remember all this. Wow. Merry Kiss Me. I think there's a line for that. Yeah, there's a line for it. Dang. Just to get a picture right here.
Okay, wait, Sarah,
So yummy.
Slavery.
Now, Cedar.
I always see something in the water.
This is a seal or something.
They don't like whatever's in that water. Oh, it's
Look at that boat over there. Oh, let's go walk through there. This is really cool right here. I didn't get to vlog it last time. Wow. Let me know if you guys enjoy seeing what I see.
Did I take your picture with Mommy and Daddy? I feel like
That was really cool. There's another Christmas tree over there.
Oh, okay. I thought they were just fishing. One, two, three.
Hey.
Everyone tells me I want to be the director. I'm just not ready to come there. Okay.
We haven't got nothing to eat at all.
The amount of work
Oh, I didn't know this was here. They got hot cocoa. It's basically like a shop, I guess. Oh, movie. What movie is that? I totally forgot. Let me know if you guys know which movie that was. I forget movies sometimes. What's that right there?
There you go. Good job.
Did you sending it to?
Oh, does somebody have his number?
Yeah, Amy.
Did you send it?
Said he said let me know. Got it.
I wonder where that movie is coming from. Oh, well, not exactly.
The other side.
Ollie.
The other side of the bag. Good on the other side.
Back when breweries were starting to very popular. You've been to the Stone with the Lock Card? The place is great.
A neat place. Whoa. That's one big boat. Dana Fry.
For sure. Watch it again, I can see the game should be better.
There's only park right over here.
Yeah, you can be on the boat and in the parade. So we're part of the Head to church. Right outside church. Church. So how are you?
Well, if you go to use it now,
Got boat.
Let's go do this.
she has a dog. She has a dog. It's the only thing that she needs is I'm a drown. Let's go get him. No way. I can do the puppy.
The show should be starting pretty soon.
You locked it.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell rock, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing in the frosty
Merry Christmas!
Oh, the rainbow one.
another drone thing.
No, just a simple one?
I think maybe. Those 4K drones are pretty big, man. Oh, and that's just the I could be this is yeah, I might be
Hey, look at that big one over there.
No.
I like that rainbow.
Really nice right here.
person on that by himself.
Alright, guys.
Okay,
so
guys. So new challenge
Yeah.
that we're gonna do.
It's called the what?
Blind, mute, and deaf.
Blind, mute, and deaf challenge. So the challenge is that there's gonna be 3 of us. One's gonna be blindfolded, and the other one has to have tape. But I'm not gonna have tape because I'm the one that's gonna be the quiet one and can't talk. And this one is gonna be the one having the headphones in because he can't hear anything but the music. So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna try doing that by making the gingerbread house by doing this challenge. And we're gonna see how well the gingerbread house is gonna be.
Yeah.
It's probably not gonna be.
So let's just see how well this will be, because one's gonna be blindfolded. I'm gonna be the one that can't really talk, and he can't hear anything but only talk. He's gonna listen to the music and tell us what the directions is, and help us do the gingerbread. And this one can't see shit, so in a way, we're gonna see how well this will be. So here we go. Let's do this.
Alright.
Music on.
Did I put the blindfold?
Yes, blindfold on. All right.
The table's right here. I can't see
Hello,
anything.
hello. Okay, I can hear myself. Okay, good. Alright. Y'all ready? Alright. Beans.
What?
I'm gonna read the instructions. Man, I can't hear what I'm saying. Alright.
Where are you?
So,
Oh, okay. Hello.
so, Leanings,
What is this?
grab the big side house piece.
What is that?
Big side house piece.
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know what it is.
Alright.
What's this?
And then grab this frosting. Alright.
I can't.
And grab the side piece, the little part. Yeah, alright. Perfect. And then you are going to glue the frosting to the side piece of the big part house.
Wait, what?
Oh, nope. The other big piece. Yep, alright. So, on the side of the house.
What's this?
Yep. Wow, that frosting is hard, man.
I don't know. Wait, I feel okay.
Guys, this is so weird. Alright, well, that's one big piece. Alright.
What's the frosting?
Oh, no. It's gonna be the other way. Upside down. Yep. Yeah. Perfect. Alright. So. Oh my god.
Was that the gingerbread house?
Guys, they broke a piece. How sucky is that? Now we gotta deal with it. Alright, let's continue.
What is this?
Alright, so grab that piece, the big one again.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Alright.
Yeah.
Put some glue on that.
Glue?
Oh, nope, other side. It's gonna be the other side. Oh. Wow. Oh.
What? What is this? Yeah,
perfect. Alright, I'm just over here reading instructions. Alright. And then that piece will go on the other side of the. Oh, shoot. This is going terribly wrong.
What is that?
Yeah, put that
What
right
is that?
there.
Oh, okay, hey.
Alright.
I can't see anything.
First, turn it real quick to the turn to the other side.
What?
Got it. Oh my god.
What is that?
Mm,
Time out. I meant, look what you, Mariah, look what you did.
oh my god. This is a complete failure. I'm
Dude.
getting gingerbread house.
The poor gingerbread.
Wait, keep it.
Okay, guys. I'm sorry.
Guys, look at this. Oh
So-
my god.
Did not go as planned.
This was not the best gingerbread house as we could do. We kind of ruined it
Look at that.
because it broke, as you can see, because of this little one over here. Literally had threw it at me and it fell on the floor. So now it's broken.
I was trying to do it again.
So now Isaiah's on this side. So right here, so I don't know. We gotta put glue on this. There you go. Let's put glue on this. Let's put glue. Put glue.
Put some glue on
Put
there.
glue. This is messy. Now your mom needs to get a different gingerbread.
Oh my.
Now we need to get a different gingerbread house.
Guys, this is terrible.
What the heck?
Look at. Oh my.
Hey, their mom needs to get a different gingerbread house because we fucked
Guys,
it up.
look, I fixed it.
We fucked it up.
I cannot do the blind.
We fucked
It's
it up.
terrible.
I think next time maybe I should be the blind. So maybe like I should be the blind. You should be the one that can't talk, and he cannot be the one that can't hear.
Yeah.
Again. Yeah. Okay, this was epic fail. We'll just eat the jelly beans.
Yeah, there's no building this garden.
No, it's all freaking gross now.
Hey, at least it stayed. Look at it.
There you take a bite.
Oh, hey, God.
No, take a bite with the frosting. I want to see your reaction.
Huh?
Show the views your reaction when you take a bite of a gingerbread with the frosting.
It's 1 minute.
I know, right?
We gave it that easily.
You don't like it? Apparently he doesn't like gingerbreads. It's a cookie. It's just a cookie.
That's a plain old cookie.
What?
A nasty cookie.
Apparently it's a nasty cookie, guys.
No flavor.
Yeah, the gingerbread does not have no flavors. I guess we'll just eat the freaking jelly beans.
Alright, guys.
All right. Nice seeing you. So I hope you like that. You know, I hope you like the challenge we did. Next time we're going to do that challenge of us cooking. So stay tuned for that video.
Yep.
And we'll see how well that will be. But this time will be a little different. Okay, bye.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Not for this, but at
Well,
least
not
for
for this one. This one sucked. So
At least for
we
like-
got to get a new gingerbread house. We got to get a new gingerbread house. Bye, guys.